this video, we'll be discussing regarding the challenges in the branch. So, I will try to explain that what are the challenges you can face in all the branches. So, we will be discussing that. Uh, we are making a series of 4 to 5 videos that how to choose the branch. The reason is the lot of students who are confused, even parents are confused, and they don't know like what exactly branch to go for. So that is why we are making these videos. You can share this with your friends, and the rest of the links are in the description. So let's get started. So the first branch we are keeping is computer science, artificial intelligence, and data science. So basically, if you see these days, the most of the companies they are trying to get to the remote work. If you think that remote work is means something relaxing or not like that, so it's not like that. So in here, if you see the deadline pressure is there, and to be very honest, mentally these branches are very demanding. Okay, and constant learning. So this is a very important key factor in the computer science, artificial intelligence, and data science branches. That the constant learning process is there. Okay, best for the students who enjoy coding and solving problems on computer. So basically, these 3 branches I will suggest for those students who enjoy coding and art. The second is electronics and communication engineering. So basically, in this branch, office and lab works both will be there, can be technically intense and fast paced. So if we talk about the electronic and communication branches, technically it is very intense because basically you have to design chip setups, electronics, and communication system. You usually work as the branch says itself. So these will be your core. If these are your core interest, then you can go for this branch. Another branch is electrical engineering. If you see the electrical engineering, this is a branch which is mix of office, field, plant and site works. Okay. The pressure is comparatively moderate and practical industry exposure is there. Best for the students who are interested in electricity, power systems, and who are interested in electrical machines. This is one of the over branch for those students. Now, let's come to mechanical engineering. If we talk about mechanical engineering, so basically hand-on work on the factories, slag, designs, office, and manufacturing. So your interest is on this particular segment. So this is also a good branch. Completely the work pressure is moderate. Again, that is depending on the companies to companies. And mechanical problem solving. Best for the students who like machines, engineers, and how things work physically. So this is for those students. Civil engineering. Basically, in the civil engineering, the site work and the construction work is comparatively very high. Although can be physically demanding and deadlines are heavy. Okay. Best for the students who are interested in building roads, infrastructure, and interested in field work instead of office work. Now, chemical engineering. If you plan about the chemical engineering, it's basically work in industry plants, refineries, or manufacturing facilities. Pressure can be high due to the process and safety responsibilities. Best for us students who enjoy chemistry and industrial process. Okay. Another is mining. Mine basically is a field work is very heavy and often remote location. So as I said, depending on the field of interest, like there are some other students or the people who can easily shift anywhere, who can, if there's no internet, no network, they can, live there and that much of connection is not required with the people. So this is also a good branch. Physically, it's demanding and challenging environment also. Best for the students who are comfortable with outdoor run outdoor things. Now the biotechnology and medical engineering, lab, research, hospital or medical device environments, structured and research-oriented work, best for the student interested in biology, medicine and healthcare technology. So for those students who are willing to explore their career in the healthcare technologies, the biotechnology is also a very good branch. Another is industrial design. Okay. So basically, industrial design is for creative studios, product design environmental system. Product based with creativity deadlines, best for the students who like design and product creation. Another is instrumentation and electronics instrumentation. So industrial plants, automation, systems, control rooms. So basically, it's a technical and balanced work environment. Best for the student who are interested in sensor, automation, and control systems. So these are the branches which we, as per the student interest, challenges in the field. It is also one of the way you can start. So basically, you can ask yourself what kind of daily life do you want? Want laptop, office and remote life? This is the branch. Want electronics and technical lab works? This is the branches. Want practical with machine industry? This is the branches. Want field construction site? This is a branch. Want chemistry and plant industry chemical. Want bio and medical and lab works? This biotechnology. So these are the branches which you can plan as per the knowledge and also as per the details we had shared. If you want more this kind of video, you can let us know by the time. Thank you. Bye bye.